probably Japanese, but that's okay. Oh, this says Oda sex. Oh.
Oh no. What have I done? Oh.
I don't want to ruin the packaging. It's so weird. Who did this? It's like Christmas.
Oh my god, you got 3 things.
Oh my god, wait, there's like writing inside too. I think it's just snacks. That's so anticlimactic.
Would you want an escargot?
I don't know, something more mysterious?
Kit Kat.
That's expensive ass Kit Kat. Look, there's messages inside too. We need to get Shun to translate this. Well, that's it.